so hindi sulit yung bayad. Yan. Baka parang na-scam ka.
I love you.
Welcome, this is your life.
It's sunny today. We intend to go somewhere else, but now we're on our way to Bambra with Mama. Si Papa hindi na naman sasama. Ayaw niya sumama kasi baka daw malamig. So it's just the four of us again, Noel 5, with Ate Macy and Michaela, the kids. So, hindi kami natuloy. Ha? Picture natin ulit. Ano? Oo, half term. Balik na lang tayo. So, hindi kami natuloy kasi ang per adult is 1995. 0 to 5 is free. Pero kasi, it's already half 1. And then, magsasara sila ng 4. Last admission is 3. And if you can see, ang laki ng castle. So, hindi sulit yung bayad. Hindi namin may enjoy. So, instead, we'll just check the village out. Hindi ko din naman naikot pa yung village. Although, I've been here for a lot of times na. Doon lang kami palagi sa beach. So, we'll just check out what they have in the village. Yan o. Ganyan kalaki yung castle, guys. Malaki. Akala nyo, okay lang yan ikutin. Pero, sa isang, you need, I think, a whole day to be in there. So, we'll just go elsewhere na lang. Yung village titingnan namin.
I'm just gonna take a photo of it.
Akala natin malaki. Maliit lang pala. Parang naano tayo, lugi tayo dyan, Okay, you drink water. So, ito, 17 pounds. And yun naman is 14 pounds. Ito?
No more water.
No pounds. No price.
Pang-post yung pagkain ni Mama.
Ha?
Pang-social.
Pagsusyan. Hindi ko alam ganito pala. Order ako ng crab crumpet. Siguro rating ko dito 7.
Ako yung fish and chips 10. Kasi masarap, pero mahal eh. So, bawasan natin ng 8. So, we just dropped by the playground. You can see the Bambra Castle again. Ang laki-laki niyan, hindi pa ako nakapasok. But whenever I can, I'll bring you along. Kayla is asleep. And Macy's here by the swing. Macy, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
We were saying kanina, ewan ko kung narinig niyo, pero na-order namin, baka parang na-scam kami. Hindi namin inakala na yun yung itsura. Crumpet, literal crab on crumpet siya. That was 14 pounds. Pero masarap naman. Masarap, di ba? Ewan ko kasi kung naon yung mic kanina, pero yung rating ni Mama was 7. Tama ba? 7. Oh, you love the swing? And then yung pero yung fish and chips in fairness, masarap talaga siya. 21 pounds naman yun. Are we gonna go back there? Not as soon as possible. We might try, it's called the potted lobster. I do recommend it if you have a budget. Maganda siya for date, ganun. But not on a frequent basis, I guess. Pero masarap siya. I would recommend if you come back and it's your first time here in Bambra and wanna experience the full thing. It's their main meals are focused on seafood, so masarap siya. Yes, Macy, and then this is our first time here in their playground too. Malinis pala. Kasi we're mostly by the beach, so anyway, let's see kung saan pa kami pupunta. Macy wants me to vlog again. What do you wanna say? Huh?
I'd like to ride on the swing.
Oh, she likes to ride on the swing. What else?
I love
Are you having?
Nana.
You love
I
Nana? Are you having fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. We're going home now. We had fun. It is cold, so uwi na kami. And the playground was the last stop, so ang travel home is an hour.
Reach for you, but you're thousands of miles away.
Morning is the how many days after sa trip namin. So today, naman muna ako ng Aldi. Hinatid ko lang si Macy. The weather is very bad. I feel very bad as well. May sakit ako. Pero, napag-isipan ko dumaan muna dito sa Aldi. Every time pinapadala ko, kwento ko lang bago ako pumasok sa Aldi. Pero kasi every time na pinadala ko si Macy sa Aldi, sa nursery, I feel like it's also an alone time for me. So I thought, I'll take a look around here first, see what they have, and then buy some essentials. Tingnan ko kung anong mabibili ko, and let's see if I can do a haul right after. Definitely, mas malaki ang Aldi nila dito compared sa may Kenton or Fodon. Grabe maulan. Ang pangit pa ng boses ko. Ang sama kasi ng panahon, guys. For ilang weeks na ba? 3 weeks na. So, dahil dyan, at syempre kailangan namin lumabas. And also, yung bata, si Macy, yung toddler ko, may nursery siya, nagpe-preschool siya. So, obviously, pag yung mga bata sa school may ubos-sipon, nagkakahawaan, then dinadala sa bahay. Then, syempre, minsan bata, umuubos sa harap mo. Kaya, magkakalat-kalat ang sakit. Anyways, uwi na tayo. Let's see if I can do a haul and I can let you know kung ano yung total ng pinamili ko. So, ito lahat ang pinamili natin, guys. Ay, sira ang mic ko. But here's the receipt. And let's see how much it costs. So, all in all, ang presyo ng pinamili natin ay $79.95. Hindi ko na may papakita. Ano ba yan? $79.95. So, yan lang. 80 pounds na. Grabe. Grabe ang minahal ng mga bilihin. Right, so, nagugutom ako, guys. Nagluto ako ng pasit canton rice. Then, 2 sunny side up na itlog. May cravings ko ngayon. So, yan ang pinakain ko. Yan, para makita nyo. Ganito din ba kayo kumain ng pasit canton? Actually, hindi ito pasit canton. Ito ay migor. So, teka. Yan. Dito pansit canton. Dito ay mi goreng. Kasi di ba pansit canton, black kimi, pansit canton. Ito, mi goreng. And, kasi bihira lang ako makakita ng laki mi pansit canton dito. So, nasanay na ako na ito ang binibili instead. Ganun din naman, masarap pa nga minsan eh. So, ito yung spicy version. So, nilagyan ko ng rice. And then, yung itlog nilalagay ko. I always make sure I eat egg every morning kasi para may protein. Hindi naman ako minsan kumakain ito ha. So, kailan ba ako last kumain itong a month ago. So, tara! Kain tayo!
Tapos, nakita rin yung initials ni Ijun. Shin, Ijun. Ito yung Hangul, yung Korean characters. I'm taking Rios kasi pinaghirapan ni Ijun ko. And sabi ni Mommy,
Let's have dinner! So, I made siomai. And Mama decided na masarap daw i-fry and then meron din steam and Macy likes to eat her favorite pepperoni pizza. Kain tayo! She wants to vlog again. Do you want to say something?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. So that's the end of our vlog. See you next time. Say, see ya.
See you.
Paalam.
Palaram.
What do you want to say? Mommy's voice is terrible already. What do you want to say?
I love you. I like pizza.
Okay, I love you too. Missy wants mommy to vlog. O sige, kain na tayo. Bye!